angle. April 15, 2024, a second bird from our road toss came at that same angle below us. Normally they don't come that angle, but we don't know what it is today. That kind of look like 100, but I'm not gonna be able to tell till he dip. I think it's 100. Nope, it's not 100. This is good chance 8. This is probably 8. The Dark Lofts, number 8. He's fast, but he does that trap that easy. Oh, yeah. One more coming in. Right here. Look at that. Mike Myers. Mike Myers. Mike Myers is back. I just was gonna turn off the video. They're starting for pop now. Like I said, Mike Myers, he was out of the races for a while now, so came back. Perfect. They're starting for pop back. If Mike Myers came back, we should get all the birds back. So the Dark Lofts, Big Island of Hawaii. Oh yeah. Boom.